Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP video update for what do you call this, 14th of July. Now we are still at the same place where yesterday we were, and there's a probable green candles, amazing green candle that we had yesterday, but I don't think we are still out of the business right now, okay? And to have the reversal wave that I've been talking about, it's important for SLP to basically still break out of this 0.618, and then you're looking for this coin to actually come down to this level right here, which you really pretty much haven't done it just yet, but I highly doubt that you are going to continue. I think this is almost like a Thursday trap that I like to talk about Bitcoin, okay? Now, the thing really is, I've already given you one level. There are two levels to really look forward to. I'm just going to drop this blue line right over here for that golden ratio as well. And let's remove this highest frame right here. So you do have some sort of a double top, okay? It's still there. The effectiveness is kind of still there, but you know, you're still not like breaking the neckline at all, right? And it's almost like you might end up creating a range zone right over there. But one thing I told you in yesterday's video, it's important for SLP to break this level and hold it to continue to the upside. So this in between kind of green candles is not something that you expect. It's not your trade. This is not your trade. Your trade should be well calculated. Your trade should be a pattern, a particular pattern. You know, it should be a game plan. You shouldn't be taking position just based on your guts feeling. And remember guys, this can actually turn into a shooting star as well. So today in 15 hours, be careful of how this candlestick really closes. So there is a little bit of suspense. If you do try it in the future to come up and break this level and hold it, that would be amazing. Otherwise, I'm afraid of this shooting star at the moment. And keep in mind that you are still below a particular resistance there. It's like you broke it off, you went down, you went for the retest, and you're still looking to actually continue lower. And that's it for this SLP update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.